Your setup is where you work, where you relax, where you get inspired. The place where you spend a third of your life. What turns your setup from just a room to your favorite place? Light. Light reveals the beauty of colors. It shapes your perception of space. It influences your mood. And it defines how people who watch your video content perceive you. Say hello to the first monitor-mounted, dual-sided light bars with a front key light for your video content, a rear ambient light for setting the mood, a monitor-mounted desk light with zero screen glare. With individual light control, adjust your light with granularity. Created by a team of setup enthusiasts just like you. Crafting your desk lighting aesthetic, one LED at a time. To turn a vision into reality, take part in our journey and join our community. Calibra Lightbars, the only lights your setup